The concept of chilling hours is really important to understanding which fruit tree varieties are best for your particular location in the state. I'm here with our statewide fruit and nut specialist, Dr. Michael Polozola, to tell us a little bit more about chilling hours.
So chilling hours is probably the number one thing you need to look at before deciding which fruit tree you want to plant in your backyard. So what we're looking at here are two different peaches. So one that's better adapted for North Louisiana and one that's better adapted for South Louisiana based off of the chill hours they have. Now chill hours can be calculated a lot of different ways. In general, we like to say the temperature's between 45 and 32 degrees.
Okay.
So this one that is a high chill hour variety, you can see it's still dormant. The buds are tight. So this one's going to be well suited for North Louisiana that's going to have later freezes and have more cold.
All right.
As opposed to South Louisiana that gets a lot less cold weather is going to want something like this low chill hour variety. And you can see it's already blooming, putting out leaves based off of having the same number of chill hours here at this nursery in the middle part of the state. So when you're considering what to plant, if you're in South Louisiana, you're going to want a variety with low chill hours, or if you're in North Louisiana, you're going to want a variety with high chill hours.
Makes a lot of sense. And generally, of course, we're accumulating our chill hours in the winter time, and so that's why it's important to know if this tree is going to hold its leaves a little bit longer so they don't get burned.
Exactly.
Well, look, Michael, thanks a lot for explaining this concept to us. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter along with Dr. Michael Polozola.